In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make a purchase on Gumroad, a popular platform for buying and selling digital products. Whether you're searching for the perfect ebook or exploring new creators, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure a smooth experience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to visit gumroad.com. Once you're on the main page, look for the login button. It should be at the top right corner of the home page. Go ahead and click that to sign in to your existing account, or if you're new to Gumroad, you can set up a new one with your email and a password. Logging in is essential as it gives you access to all the features and allows you to start making purchases. Now that we're logged in, let's explore what's available. One of the easiest ways to find new products is by clicking on the Discover tab. The Discover section is like your own curated marketplace, showcasing a range of popular and recommended products across different categories. Take your time browsing through the various options and see what catches your interest. For today's demonstration, we'll be searching for ebooks. In the search bar, type the word ebook and hit enter. This will present a list of available ebooks across different genres and topics. Browse through these options and take note of any that pique your interest. Keep in mind that you can often find previews or summaries to help you decide which ebook suits your needs best. Once you have your eye on a specific ebook, simply click on it to open the product page. Here you'll find more detailed information such as the description, any customer reviews and the price. This is your chance to dive a little deeper. Ensure it's exactly what you're looking for. If it checks all your boxes, then it's time to move forward. To proceed with the purchase, click on the Add to Cart button, typically located next to the pricing information. This will add the ebook to your shopping cart, allowing you to continue shopping or proceed directly to checkout. When you're ready to finalize your purchase, navigate to your cart and press checkout. Here you'll need to fill in your payment details. This usually includes your name, email and preferred payment method. Gumroad offers various payment options including credit cards and PayPal, making it flexible and user-friendly. After double checking your details, the last step is to hit the pay button. It's that simple. Once the payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email containing a link to download your ebook. Just like that, you have successfully navigated through Gumroad and made a purchase, and there you have it. You've learned how to sign in, discover new products, search for specific items, and make a purchase on Gumroad. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel more confident using Gumroad. Happy shopping and enjoy your new